So this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. One more time, I have another box of Panama Jack. I have another pair of boots from Panama Jack, guys. Let me show you the box, how it is. You can see here model number, other thing is specified, made in Spain, best part of it, Panama Jack 03. Here 43, the size C27. Here made in Spain is written. This side, if I show you here, you can see the logo of beautiful Panama Jack behind. What trademark, other thing is written. So we'll put here this one, and without any further ado, I will take this off from here and we'll go to the boots. Lovely here, beautiful sticker of Panama Jack, you can see here. Wow, you see this, guys, this is a magnificent pair of boots. Look at the color, guys, how beautiful this one, black Panama Jack. Maybe you are seeing the first time something as this. They're always in brown or other color, but look at this design here. This is stitching. Incredible design of this boot. Look, black skin here, original leather, no PU. You can smell it, smell of authentic leather here. See here you have a partition design, beautiful. This gives an extra layer of attention here. The sole, my god, this is a magnificent sole. You see here only Timberland and Panama Jack, they produce these kinds of boots. Beautiful here. Wow, more things here. You can see the logo of Panama Jack is written. Since 1989, made in Spain, authentic product, authentic Spanish product. Look at the stitching here, how smooth this one. Here you can put your jeans, but these boots, your jeans should go inside here, and this is for that. It's more fashionable boot, so it's not for you put some pant over it, it would look ugly. You have to put jeans inside. No matter whatever people say, this is the fashion, should go inside the pant. I will show you how it is exactly. Wow, we'll go to another pair. Go, you see a beautiful cushion at the middle to protect the boots, and I take this off here. Lovely, lovely, guys. Incredible design is the same one to another, magnificent. More detail, you can see here the size 42. Here is the logo. This is authentic product. You can see how detail is. And this is a rubber, not a plastic or something, or mixed plastic. This is authentic rubber, so we'll have a strong grip while you are using for fashion, or if you want to tracking with this, so you can do that. Since 1989, magnificent. And this stitching is the best, is the detail of these boots. Here more detail, you can see here the face of Panama Jack, the design, magnificent. Okay, one more thing, you have extra less if anything happen, but they send me in black color. It should be the same color, but I think if you want to use a black, you can put a black or brown, so they send you as an optional to change the color if you want. And inside, if I can show you, yeah, take this off from here. You see the logo. This is a metal something, Panama Jack trademark, and inside made in Spain, and the leather inside. So this is authentic leather boots, magnificent. This one, you can see the detail of this very close, the authentic, how it is, lovely. So now I'm gonna put and show you how it looks on feet. You can see guys how it looks on my feet. Close look. You should not tie so much this one. You should not tight this one so much because you can't walk. You have to leave little bit open. With a jeans as this, you can see a jeans should go inside a tight jeans. With loose jeans it will not look that elegant or rugged, to look cheap. But with the tight jeans, something as this, you can use. Magnificent the design, lovely. So this is unboxing of Panama Jack, one of the black color of boot guys. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.